Hello, Munemundibo. Welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, this is Eno and a Cultural Forum where we talk about the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Recently, we have been discussing the suspension of 3 traditional rulers in Igbanke and Eka Igbo community in Edo State, Nigeria. And what I've learned from these discussions is very mind-blowing. What I've learned in the past few days is mind-boggling. I've discovered that an entire ethnic group cannot really be bad. In every ethnic group, there are good people, there are truthful people, and there are also people who are full of deceit. We're going to look at a few comments and videos from people who are from Benin in Edo State, their views and opinions concerning the situation in Igbanke. First, let's watch this video.
People do not so they share. Plus this president na Esan na the rule na Benin person na just rule finish. Na Esan the rule na after Esan don't do 8 years finish, they will not give another person, another even Auchi. All those will still rule their own. We are different people. Now I want to tell my Benin people, let Igbanke, they say they are not Benin people, and let them be. And that is a fact, because they don't speak Benin. They speak a Eka language, which is like Igbo language. This is what they speak. They don't speak Benin. If Igbanke person is talking, Benin man will not understand. If Esan person is talking, Benin man will not understand. What now make you people be one? You won't be one to dominate. You won't make, if you come say we agree to be one, that means the people will not play second fiddle. You will not say you are Dion, you are not senior. In this case, Esan, they are different people. As Igbanke, they are different people. As Benin people, they are different people. Me, as an Esan person, we already make that statement. We already tell the whole world that we are different people. Please, if you see us, somebody say, I'm from Edo State, ask that person, where are you from? Because there's a lot of tribe.
I hope you saw that. And then let me read this very beautiful comment from this our brother again, who is from Benin. I'm from Benin proper. I don't know what's wrong with our people and how Igbanke language is influenced by their location. And what about other location in Delta State? Why were their language not influenced by Abo dialect? The location Igbanke reside now is not down to the Benin's or the palace, as only government can determine where they, a particular people, to be located at a point in time. My Benin people, don't be ridiculous, because it's Okpebolo government and the palace thinks he can continue to oppress and intimidate people who refused to be confused by false narratives. Now, in case you don't really understand what is happening, but I know you do, if there is one ethnic group in the world who understands the word marginalization and deprivation, it is the Igbo people. No ethnic group understands marginalization more than the Igbo people, because as we have in proverb, Adwe show akarioso. No animal commits suicide more than the bat, because it sleeps with its face down. The Igbo people have experienced firsthand what it means to be marginalized since the Nigerian Civil War. What it also means to have people sponsor propaganda against you. So, it is only the Igbo people who will understand fully what is happening to their brothers in Igbanke. What is happening in Igbanke? Since the creation of Benin State and then Edo State, Nobody from Igbanke, an Igbo speaking part of Edo State, has been a governor, a House of Assembly member, a House of Rep member, a council chairman. No position goes to Igbanke, not even in that senatorial district called Edo South Senatorial District. No senator has ever come from Igbanke. Now, this is position that is supposed to be rotated among the ethnic groups. As you heard from that video, it is rotated between Esan, Edo, and then sometimes they consider the Aochi people. No one thinks of the Igbanke people because they are considered a very small minority group, and so they are marginalized. This is why these people are clamoring. They have been clamoring to be removed from where they have found themselves due to the creation of Edo State. It was when Edo State was created and separated from Delta State, from the defunct Bendel State, that Igbanke people found themselves in Edo State. But it has never been an easy ride for them. Good roads they do not have, infrastructure they do not have, and no one to speak for them because they are denied the opportunity of occupying government positions, occupying positions that are elective, because they lack the requisite number to win elections. This is what we are complaining about, and this is what we are crying about. So if you see us saying leave Igbanke, as you have always told us, because we have always heard this from the Benin people saying it is not by force to be Igbo. Now we are telling you it is not by force to be Benin. Stop dragging Igbanke. It doesn't even end in Igbanke. I've seen videos of your people going to Umunede to tell them, hey, I saw Ada and Ebenye. It looks like you are from Edo. If people are from Edo, why not speak your Edo language to them? I've also seen videos of them going to Iselugu. Iselugu, Edo Niresi Ugu. Really? Why not speak your Edo language to them in Iselugu? Every other place you claim are descendants of Benin Kingdom. Why not speak your Benin or Edo language for them? So my brothers, I hope you now understand what we are crying about in Igbanke. We are crying against marginalization of the highest order. We are crying against intimidation and oppression. We are crying against political and traditional rulers' high-handedness. This high-handedness of traditional ruler, of the Oba of Benin, was what led to several waves of migrations away from Benin Kingdom. Is it the migration of Ezechima and his children? Is it the migration of Akalaka? Is it the migration of people who came from Ado and settled in Benin, who now found themselves among us, the Enu and the people that call themselves the Olukumi people, the Yoruba people? The high-handedness you are seeing today is not new. It is something that has become a hallmark of Benin Kingdom. It is not today. Go back in history, you will see this same high-handedness. Bikoni, Shatoni nai ndi Igbanke wejeme kwenwolo we. If Igbanke is reintegrated with their brothers in Eka, they can now dream of producing a House of Reps member, possibly. If communities like Ibodo can produce House of Rep member, then I believe Igbanke, having 3 traditional rulers and greater population than Ibodo, can even dream of producing a House of Reps member, a House of Assembly member, a council chairman, a senator, or even the governor of our future Anyoma state. Thank you so much for supporting Enu and the Cultural Forum. Kindly support us more by sharing this video, giving us super thanks, and becoming one of our members of the platform. This is how you will help our work. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day.